Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to make a progress bar inside of Microsoft Excel. Before we jump into that, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right guys, so we are here inside of Excel, and basically what I've done, I've created a project management Excel workbook. Let's say I'm using this to track some of my projects that are happening this month. One thing I may want to do is go ahead and add a progress bar to this. That might help me more easily see what progress is being made. So there's a couple of ways to do this, and it's actually pretty simple. So we'll keep this video fairly short. What we're going to do is we're going to drag and select on our cells or our values that we want to have a progress bar on. Next up, hit conditional formatting. The very first thing that I can do is I can go to data bars, and here I could easily select either a gradient or a solid fill. And that's going to automatically fill in the progress bar for us. If you want to have a little bit more control, you can manually set this. Under conditional formatting, I'm going to clear rules and clear rules from selected cells. And then I'm going to hit new rule. I'm going to change the format style to data bar. And here where it says automatic, I could leave that. I could also change it to a number or a percent. I'm going to set mine both to % here, and I'll go with 0 to 100. If you're working with numbers where the percentage goes above 100%, you can set your own custom maximum here. I'm then going to change it to a gradient fill, and I'll select the color. All right, and now I'll simply hit OK. And there we can see our custom progress bars are automatically added to our cells. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about formatting your cells or adding progress bars in Excel, drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. Lastly, as our channel grows, we are constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. If you have a specific idea that you'd love for us to cover, we strongly encourage you to let us know what that idea is, as most commented video topics become actual videos. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated, as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.